Sup guys, for today's video, I'm going to explain how sensitivity works and what is the best sensitivity for you in Special Forces Group 3. Let's keep it simple. Here are the meanings of each setting. Sensitivity X controls how fast you look left and right. Sensitivity Y controls how fast you look up and down. Iron sight sensitivity controls your aim speed when you are zoomed in or aiming down sights. Aim acceleration increases your aim speed. This is as low a combination of sensitivity X and Y. Input smooth makes your aim movement smoother but can add slight delay. Now you know what each sensitivity setting does. So now, let's move on to what sensitivity you should actually use. Here are the steps. Step 1. Set your aim acceleration to 1. Step 2. Only adjust sensitivity X and sensitivity Y. Step 3. Adjust your sensitivity so that with just one swipe, you can already look to the left or right side. Make sure X and Y are always the same. For example, X is 60 and Y is also 60. Step 4. Set your iron sight sensitivity to 100 for faster aiming. Step 5. If your sensitivity still feels slow even at 100, use aim acceleration to improve your aim. Increase it gradually, at least +2, then adjust as needed. Step 6. Set input smooth to 1 to avoid delay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.